Safety in the laboratory. When carrying out experiments, it should never be assumed to be completely harmless. All experiments should be regarded as a potential source of danger. All chemicals and apparatus should be handled with care. The two common causes of accidents in the laboratory are ignorance and carelessness. Accidents are minimized when safety rules are followed. All chemicals with environmental and health impacts must be stored in well-labeled containers with appropriate safety warning symbols clearly visible. The following rules should be followed to ensure safety in the chemistry laboratory. Laboratory safety rules. Never run while in the laboratory because you may trip, fall or injure yourself or other users of the laboratory. Never taste or eat anything in the laboratory to avoid poisoning. Always consult your teacher before trying any experiment to avoid accidents. Label all the chemicals you are using to avoid confusion. Always use a clean spatula for scooping a substance from a container to prevent contamination. Always hold test tubes or boiling tubes using a test tube holder when heating to avoid being burned. When heating a substance in a test tube or boiling tube, never let the open end face you or anybody else because the liquid may spurt into your eyes and cause injury. Never look directly into reaction vessels where reactions are taking place, because the chemicals may spurt into your eyes and cause injury. Never smell gases directly. Instead, waft the gas towards your nose with your hand. Experiments in which poisonous gases are produced must be carried out in a fume cupboard or outdoors. Always keep flammable substances away from flames because they easily catch fire. Report any accidents to the teacher or laboratory technician immediately for necessary action. In case of a serious accident such as fire, calmly walk out, and don't scramble for the exit. Doing so will hinder easy escape. Always extinguish flames that are not in use to avoid fire accidents and minimize fuel wastage. If a chemical gets in your skin or in your mouth, rinse it immediately with a lot of clean water. Chemicals already used must always be disposed of safely to avoid contamination. Always work on a clean bench. Clean all the pieces of apparatus used and store them at the end of each experiment. Other safety regulations such as the use of gloves, safety goggles, gas masks and laboratory coats should be adhered to as required. Thank you for watching this chemistry lesson. Please subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.